Hello everyone and welcome to part 15 of my A350 Airbus build. If you want to build this Airbus for yourself, subscribe to the channel because I'll be making the files for the molds available for only one day after I finish with the build. I will announce the day the files will be available in one of my upcoming videos. So if you want the free files, they will only be available for one day after the build. So subscribe. In this video, I will show you how I cut out the wing tube holes in the fuselage for the carbon fiber wing tube. Then I will show you how I repair the hole. I mistakenly drilled the hole forgetting about the dihedral in the wings. I'm not able to use a wing tube for this build. I have to make a wing spar. To repair the holes, I first put tape on the outside of the hole and then lay 2 layers of 4-ounce fiberglass on the inside. Then I apply epoxy. Once the epoxy has dried, I remove the tape and the hole is now filled. Next, I spread some body filler on the outside of the now covered hole to smooth it all out. Then I sand it smooth. That's pretty much it, how you fill a hole in the composite part. Next, I will show you how I made the nose section of the Airbus removable. And remember to like and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, here we have the fuselage. I still have the piece of tape over here, and we have the fiberglass and epoxy that was laid up inside the fuselage under this. So now I'm just going to go ahead and remove the tape here. Now, this hole is covered up, which is good. That's what we want. Now what I'm going to do is just mix up a little bit of glazing putty, and this is what I use here, glazing putty. It's kind of expensive for this, but it's very lightweight and it's better than Bondo. So the Bondo, I don't like Bondo that much, but this works really well. So this is what I'm going to do. Mix some up and cover this hole up. Okay, here we have it mixed up here, and it's going to cover these holes with it. And when that dries, then I'll just go ahead and sand that down. Okay, this is dry now, so I'm just taking 100 grit sandpaper and sanding this now. Alright, here we have this all finished up now. So that is how you fill a hole in fiberglass. So if you have an airplane or something that you need to repair a hole, again, all you do is take a piece of tape. It really doesn't matter what type of tape it is. I just use packing tape because that's what I had. Just put that on the outside of it. Then you go inside and place fiberglass and epoxy, and that's pretty much it. So, but the layers that you use inside should match up the thickness of whatever your part is made from. So yeah, that's it. Here's the nose section of the Airbus. What I've done is made it removable. As you can see, I epoxied these composite tubes in here, composite carbon fiber tubes in here, epoxied them all in here. And this slips on to the main section of the fuselage. It has the same pattern like this on the fuselage itself, so it just slides on and off.
Subscribe for more.